front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access display. Now scroll down again, click on Refresh Rate option and tap on the best one for you in order to apply it, maximum or standard. I will go with standard, so when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my POCO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!